Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, December 14th, 2022. Here's the Astro Excel chart that I put out yesterday. Mentioned the trend reversal point right here at the peak of the green line, and I had marked this blue line on the chart, and we happened to catch that early report, caused that strong push up right into that high, and then we started to trade down from there. So we do have some downward pressure going out through the day, and then we start to flatten out this afternoon, and then we really don't have much regarding trend through the rest of the week. It's pretty much neutral, very slightly to the downside. Here's the Vedic timing window chart. We had these two primary windows yesterday, both green, the A2 and the B1. We got the high of day in the morning on this first window right before the open, and then we started breaking down from there. We had the time triggers that I put in, I haven't moved. You can see most of those triggered reversal points. So overall, pretty good activity day there yesterday. I generally am looking for the price and time coming together. So the triggers that I would have looked at were this short here, this short here, this long here off the price line, a short here which was nothing there, and then a long right there which went about 10 points or so. Uh, Usually looking for swings to go at least 10 points. And then we've been kind of flat overnight. We're coming into, this is our only window for the day. It started early at 5:08 and it runs until 8:10. Looks like we're going to make a low in that window. We'll see how this one plays out.